how to change the phone language on the Samsung Galaxy S26 series. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now from here, we then scroll down and tap on General Management. Then at the top, tap on Language. Next, tap on Add Language. In here, scroll down and select the language that you would like to add or use. Now you can also use the search button at the top here. Okay, so I'll use this one. And then tap on Set as Default or Keep Current. Okay, so once you select a language, you can see there is a tick. Tap on the OK button, and that will allow you to change the language. And that's it. You can see here, once I change the language, it will apply throughout the system. Even in the menu here, it has a different language. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.